Hey, hello everyone. Good evening. This is Shravan. So on 25th July 2025, okay, the timing's evening 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST. I'm planning to start the Microsoft Azure Data Engineer with the Fabric related one. So the duration is 60 days. So Monday to Friday, I'm planning to conduct these sessions. So here I'm covering the data factory, Databricks and PySpark and SQL and Python and the data warehouses. And a very important one is Fabric. Okay. So after the course, here I'm giving the three real-time projects. Anyway, I'm going to conduct the mock interviews. I will help you for set up the LinkedIn setup and job portals and resume preparations. So first, let me go through the course content. Guys, this is the course content actually. So first, I'm going to explain the basics part. First, I'm going to explain the cloud related basics and Azure related basics and data entry related basics. Okay. Once if you are good into this, all the basics and all the terminologies, right? So I'm going to start the data factory concepts. So at the time of the data factory, I'm going to cover the Azure SQL and data factory related components. Okay. Everything I'm going to cover the real-time scenario based manner only. Okay. In the day one, okay, in the day one itself, I'm going to start the real-time use cases only, like a full load, incremental load, the way of copying the bulk of data from the on-premises to the cloud, right? And different sources data to the cloud related part and the Medallion architecture process, the ETL pipeline designs to perform the transformations, right? So we'll discuss each and everything as a scenario based level only. So in data factory point of view, I will cover the data factory related all the components and all the use cases and by using data flows concepts as well. Okay. So once if you're good into the data factory part, I'm gonna cover the Synapse one. So in the Synapse one, I will explain the Synapse workspaces, Synapse Studio, the way of creating the pipeline, the way of creating the notebook, introduction to the Spark and PySpark, the transformations, actions, okay, and the data frames, the way of reading the data from different sources to the Synapse places, like a storage account with respect to the bronze, silver, and gold level for handling the structured data, handling the file system related data. So and optimization techniques, delta tables, right? Everything I will explain at the time of the Synapse part. So once if you are good into the Synapse, right, I will start with the okay Databricks part. And one important point is if you are planning to learn data engineering related any type of cloud, SQL and Python basics mandatory. So without SQL, Python basics, it's very difficult to understand the data engineering related concepts. Okay. So after that, I will explain the PySpark concepts like data frames, as the way of handling the reading the data from the different sources to and perform some optimization techniques and working with the Windows functions or working with the joins and working with the autoloader, delta tables, delta live tables, fact tables, dimensions tables, data modeling, and Apache Airflow. Right. Everything I'm going to cover it here. And one important point is data factory point of view, Databricks point of view. Nowadays, CI/CD is a mandatory one. So here I'm covering the Azure DevOps CI/CD process, like the way of creating the branches, the raising the pull request, writing the AML template, right? Approvals, right? Gates, everything we'll discuss into the DevOps part. Okay. So here I'm giving the three real-time projects. One project completely into data factory level. So here source is on-prem SQL Server, destination is Azure SQL. By using Azure Data Factory, I'm going to perform the complete ETL as a graphical manner. And the second project is, okay, so it is a combination of Data Factory and Databricks and dedicated SQL pool, means Synapse one. Third project completely into Apache Airflow. Here I'm going to showing the ETL process as a complete coding level. So by using Python pandas concepts. Okay. So guys, if you are interested, okay, just reach out to me on my Indian number. Okay. 77949391 and 07. Okay. Thank you. And uh, the timing is evening 7 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST on 25th July 2025. I'm planning to start the Microsoft Azure Data Engineer course. So the duration is 60 days. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hey, hello everyone.